If you're trying to vent a portable air conditioner out of a casement window, you know it can get ugly pretty quick. Maybe you clicked on this video because you don't like your current DIY solution, or you just don't like the solutions that are available on the market, namely those white cloth solutions that you've probably seen on Amazon. Well, I do want to share that there is a nice, elegant solution to this dilemma, and that is to use a piece of plexiglass to fill the window opening. It's obviously nice because it's crystal clear, it's nice and durable to hold the weight of the hose, and it's not going to warp or rot like a piece of wood over time. So I want to give you a quick overview of how this works, how we came to this solution. This is actually one that my company, Martinson Manufacturing, makes. We specialize in creating custom window vent kits for casement windows. We can adapt any AC unit to any window type, get it made and shipped out in a matter of a couple days with free shipping for most US and Canadian orders. My favorite thing about this business is creating custom solutions for people to provide them with a sense of relief. A lot of people are either burdened by their current ugly solution, it's an eyesore, they hate looking at it, or they're just don't think it's even possible to even create one. And I've yet to come across a window that we haven't been able to create a solution for. So if you don't want to mess with making one yourself, we'd love to take that burden off your shoulders. I'll put our website, martinsonmanufacturing.com, in the description down below. Okay, that's enough of my shameless plug. I'll get into a little more details on how we came to the solution. So in probably 95% of the cases, these are going to function as direct window screen replacements. So what we'll do is we'll measure the width and height of our window screen, and we'll make the panel to be the same size since our window screen already fits in our window nicely. Now, as far as how to hold it in place, there are a number of options, but what we provide to our customers are strips of Velcro and clear adhesive tape. My personal favorite is laying clear adhesive tape over the top. It's actually incredibly strong. It holds very well. And it's elegant. It's not tacky because it's clear, it's see-through, and it's also very easy to remove when the summer is over. You just take off the tape, pull the hose off, and maybe stick the panel under your bed or something like that. So that's a nice, simple solution that we recommend. As far as the hole, if you're making one yourself, you're probably just gonna cut a simple hole, stick the hose out the window, and that's fine. That's not what we like to do. We like to take it a step further and create a nice custom solution. So what we did is we spent a lot of time developing our own vent. Because again, we don't want our customers to have to stick the hose out the window and then again use tape and hold it in place, and then it starts to look tacky again and it's not a nice durable connection. So we developed our own vent here. This actually has a bird screen on the back to kind of prevent birds from coming in and making a nest in your hose. We also have a bug screen version in case you have a lot of insects in your area. So what you'd do is you'd just remove the current adapter on the end of your hose. You'd twist that off. If you have just one of those ring collars, you just pop it off with a screwdriver. And then you'd take the vent that we provide you with and you would just thread this on to your hose. Functions very similar to probably the current one that you have on your hose. Twist it on, and then we have these 3 tabs that interface with 3 cutouts on the panel, and you just stick it in, twist to the right, and it locks into place. And that's not going anywhere. You could trip over this by accident. It's not going to pop off of your panel here. And it's also thin enough on the backside, so where we could even close our window if we want to. If we're leaving for the day, we got somewhere to be, close up the window. You don't have to remove it from your window. So it's a nice, simple solution. So I hope this gives you a sense of hope that there is an elegant solution out there for this dilemma. If you don't want to make one yourself, we'd love to take that burden off your shoulders. So check us out, martinsonmanufacturing.com.